Hey Diamonds, and welcome back to my channel. I am Latanya with Diamond Beauty Plans, and today I received my Villabeautifful this is the October kit. Yes, so this is the Halloween one. So I just received it, so I'm going to go ahead and open it so you guys can see. Let's see what we have here. Oh, don't want to knock my pens over. This is the, what is this one? This is the Darkness. I'll say Halloween. This is the Darkness, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Darkness kit. All right, I am back. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so we have some full box sticky notes. These are pretty. I like these. These can be used any time of the year. So I really love that part about sticky notes. Maybe I need to turn a little bit of light on so it doesn't look so dark. It's not that much light coming in through the window today. Not much sunlight coming in. All right, here we go. Yep, these are cute. And I always use sticky notes. I use them for work. And then some magnetic bookmarks. I was definitely excited by these because I wanted some more. I wanted some of these bookmarks. So here we go. Boop. I don't have my planner with me right now, but yeah. So we got these. Okay. And I completely forgot what this one is. I completely forgot. It's just like a pen holder, because you can definitely, yep, don't touch my pens. So yeah, this is a little pen pouch, and you can definitely stick your pens. Oh, it's going on to the strap. No, don't go to the strap. Stick your pens in there. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? And be on your way. So yep, 4 pins we got in there. So oops, that is cute. I am off anything to keep my pens protected, okay? Because I am very territorial when it comes to these VB pens. Nobody can use them in this house, okay? All right. And then Darkness Queen clear stickers. I am not a Halloween person, so, but I just wanted this kit because it's Villabeautifful. so we have this one, this one, and as I said, they are clear stickers. Okay. And here is the sticker book. I am so excited when Tiffany when she brings back the VB clutch and the pen case. I'm so excited for those. So here are the stickers. I think the stickers the colors are beautiful. Like I said, I'm not a Halloween person, so, but I just love her. I love her kits. I love her kits, so I didn't want to miss out on any kit regardless. And I know I can still use these stickers any way that I want to. That's the great thing about being, part of the planning community. And it's one of the great things of just planning, period. You get to be creative and you get to do it the way that you want to. Decorate your planner, don't decorate it. Sticker, don't sticker. It's yours. So you do what you want to do and how you want to do it. And one thing I love about her sticker books, she always have 2 weeks of days in the kit. So I am able to do I'm able to do a weekly spread using the stickers in the sticker book. So that's one thing I really love, the convenience and the functionality of her sticker books. So sticker book. And of course I was excited to get another one. I have I guess it's like what color? Taupe tan color ish that I have, and I have like just some just items. I just have random items in there. Nothing really special, and it's just kind of random. And my other pouch. And so with this one, I was thinking I have some stickers from Sadie Stickers, so I think I'm gonna put those in here. Oh my gosh, booga booga. And of course we have your washi tape. So washi tape is always pretty. It's hard to see what this one looks like, isn't it? It's kind of hard to tell through the plastic. Maybe a little bit. Those are the washi tape. And then we have B6, which will be able to go into my B6. Did I bring my scissors up here? Did I? So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get into this. And I know how I'm going to get into it. No, I don't want to do that because I want to mark up my book. Let's see. There we go. I got it. Okay, so then I think this is a sticker release book. Right? Yes, I'm so glad that we got some more sticker release sheets. So this is a B6 sticker release book. So if you have like the B6 clutch that was in last year's anniversary kit, this could definitely fit in there. And I'm so glad we got some more. If you ordered from the 6th anniversary kit, in the on-the-go sticker planner, there are sticker release sheets in those. Those are small. So I definitely was excited that she had these in here because these are bigger. So then I can place a little bit more stickers on here. And so when I'm at home, I can use this. And then on the go, I can use the on-the-go sticker planner when I am like on the road or traveling or whatever, if I travel or whatever may be when I'm not at home. So yay for that. And then of course finally we have the pen. I think most of the time I think I got this kit because I wanted some more pens. I'm trying to build onto my pen collection here. Okay. This pen is gorgeous. This gives me like that gunmetal look to it. Isn't it so beautiful? Look at the crystals. Get the crystals in there. And these pens, oh, they write so nice. So these are the only pens that I write with now. Like if I put another pen in my hand, I have to put it down. These are the only pens that I write with. And of course you get your refill. So these are all the goodies that we got in the Darkness VBKit. And I even love, even the colors is what I also love as well as the colors. This purple, sort of a purplish color. So these are all of the goodies that came in the Darkness VBKit. So I hope you like it. She will be letting everyone know when the releases come out. So if you miss, you know, the pre-order, I think it should be soon. I don't even know what day it is right now. So you go to Villabeautifful. I'll give you the website here. It's from a previous order. So go to shopvillabeautifful.com and check her out. I'm excited. Bye everyone.